How to link Facebook to AllTrails. Make sure that you are logged on to your AllTrails account. Then go to Profile at the bottom right and from here tap on Gear icons, that is Settings. Now from here tap on Facebook. Now over here you can see two of these options. At the bottom, if you tap on Sync Facebook Friends, you can sync your Facebook friends to connect with AllTrails members you already know. Then you can also tap on Login with Facebook in order to link your Facebook account to AllTrails. The process is same for both these steps. So for now, let's tap on Login with Facebook. Make sure that you are logged on to your Facebook account and then you'll see this option of Continue with your name mentioned. Tap on Continue. And with that, you will successfully be able to link your Facebook account to AllTrails. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.